Talk to me. How does it feel?
In relation to surfing, no idea, because I can't do this in surfing. Bend your knees. Now straighten them.
Yeah, you just
bend your knees.
Bend your knees. That was definitely the most expensive skateboard I've ever purchased.
Yeah.
Aloha from Hawaii. Hey, so what'd you guys think of that new skateboard?
I like this.
You gotta work on that commitment level.
Welcome back, you beautiful people, to the island of Oahu.
I'm Anna. This is John, Alex, and Haley. We are a military family that has won the golden ticket and have been stationed out here in Hawaii for the last 10 amazing months. And part of living this island life has been learning to embrace as much of the ocean as possible. So snorkeling, more snorkeling, but also learning to surf. Now the problem is that it's hard to get practice runs in. Between our schedule and the oceans, well, and then John injured his shoulder.
I mean, having a shoulder injury and not being able to paddle out to actually surf, this is, I guess, the best alternative.
We started expanding our horizons to find ways to practice out of the water, so hopefully we can get better in the water. And that led us to skateboarding a few weeks ago, and even starting skateboarding lessons with Uncle Willie up on the North Shore. Those are going amazing, by the way.
You gotta lean forward, right? You're gonna lean forward, you're gonna bring your head down here, down hard. Forward. 2, 1, forward.
Yeah!
I love my lessons with Uncle Lily.
Down up, you gotta
Just wrapped up our second lesson, and the girls are making... I can't get over what the girls are pulling off.
There you go.
But skateboarding isn't the same as surfing.
What do we buy?
And this is where the desire to purchase a SmoothStar Surf Skateboard came in. This one's gonna be a little bit different than the skateboards you guys rode yesterday. This one is designed to help you learn to surf.
That's super cool. Oh, he's on the side. Oh, look, Shark has eyebrows.
It's tax season. And that means tax return. I don't know what you guys spend your tax return on, but we usually buy crazy kind of gear that we use to further enhance our outdoor hobbies.
What do you guys spend your tax money on? Or do you guys save it? Like, maybe don't even spend it at all. Maybe you're one of those people. My sister's one of those people. She's a saver. And
If you're looking to get rich, you should probably watch a different channel.
It's supposed to help us go from the log that Alex and John have been riding in a straight line to actually learning how to turn a surfboard.
Yeah, see? You're doing the twist. You're doing the twist. See? Look at you. Go around. Can you grab the board to turn?
Yeah.
There's no grabbing the board.
Yeah, I can turn without grabbing.
You gotta get low. You gotta work on that commitment level.
Yeah. There's none. I'm not dragging my room.
All right, well, we'll get our pads and we'll work on that commitment level.
Alex was trying to get used to it, but she kept on trying to use it like a regular skateboard, and that's not what this thing is designed to be.
Yeah, they gotta go. Woo! That was wild. Ooh, good thing you are okay because you weren't wearing any of your pads. So are you ready for Pinky?
We'll see. Yeah, like when you do it standing stiff, it's harder.
Well, I think that's the point that they're trying to teach you for the surfboard. Oh my god, this is so alien.
It is.
The only thing saving me is cutting the grass. It's good.
It's probably because you're looking at the grass. Your body's moving that way, but your head is still.
I want to go to the grass. The grass is my safe landing zone because I'm scared shitless. We need to, we definitely need to get helmets and pads for us because I feel very naked right now and very exposed to the.
It's like the smoothest skateboard I've ever had. But then again, I've never had one with like big honking wheels on it. But no, I like it. Everything's smooth about it, whether you're transitioning from front to rear. I like it. We'll see, I guess, if it actually helps me out with surfing.
That means you gotta be a little. You gotta take Pinky out.
I know. I just gotta let my shoulder recover first, because just getting out there is gonna be painful.
We never told them about your shoulder, have we? You just basic.
No, but I don't even know what's wrong with my shoulder.
Yeah, we don't know what's wrong with his shoulder. We're waiting on the second appointment, but it seems to happen when you're mid to late 30s in the military, in a life of abuse. You have injuries that happen a lot. So that is why we haven't gone surfing in a while, is I am like a fish out of the ocean when I'm on a surfboard, and John... so I really can't help Alex very much at all. And John can't help Alex right now because he can't really paddle out there because of his shoulder. Eventually, Haley came back over to try. Alex, on the other hand, well, there's no competing with playing with other kids at the playground.
Keep doing it. Keep doing
Toe
it.
heel, toe heel, toe heel, toe heel, toe heel.
Toe heel.
Yeah, Haley.
Toe heel.
There you go. Now look up. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe.
Heel toe, heel toe. Look at that.
Woohoo, Haley! First day we went out, you know, it was just trying to get used to it. We've been consistently taking it out every single day, and every single day the girls are getting just that much better. Right there. A little bit further back, a little bit further back. Oh, he's about to go. All right, toe, toes. There you go, dude.
Heel.
Heel, toes, heel, toes, heel. Nice job, Haley!
Heels, toes.
Yeah, dude! Don't mind me. Whoa. Watch out, Haley.
So weird.
Because it's so smooth and it's concave.
Yeah.
That's why I really wanted to go to the park, was because, or the skate park, was for you to be able to try a little bit of that. Then it was, of course, my turn to try it. And I'm not a snowboarder, and I never really skateboarded as a kid. Like, I wanted to, but it never clicked for me. So this was pretty scary.
Grass.
Scary getting off.
There you go. You feel the difference now?
I told John that I would commit to swinging my weight around more when I had knee pads and helmet. Scary.
I think it will help me surfing.
I've been wanting to take the SmoothStar surf skateboards to an actual skateboard park because then you can practice kind of going up on the wave. But gosh, like our luck has just not been good. Like it's either been raining at the park where we are, or they ended up having this event, which was awesome, but Alex was super intimidated to go off. Like there's a lot of child prodigies skating around, and I was nervous for her. So I'm very happy with the quality.
Took a couple days.
Oh man, you took a digger right there. Are you happy?
Yeah, I like it. I was kind of nervous at first, like getting on it. It's so weird compared to like a regular skateboard, and like trying not to actually like use my other leg to skate. I like it though. Like as long as there's no slopes and you get the rhythm going, it feels good. Like it kind of actually reminds me, like you said, snowboarding.
Yeah, it looks like you're snowboarding when you're on it.
I mean, when you actually look at it, it's like legit wheels. Like the bearings are nice, the trucks. You got the spacer, and then you look at this truck, and you're like,
yeah, that's
oh,
the
okay.
money. That thing right
This
there
is where the money comes in.
Yeah.
And it's like spring loaded.
So we went with SmoothStar, which is a Japanese and Australian company.
I think.
I think so. But so far so good. And then Alex got
like
the little Hammerhead. And this has been a learning curve because it's really different from her normal skateboards. It doesn't, the back wheels, so I was trying to teach her this morning, and this helped. The back wheels don't pivot at all. There's no movement in this back truss. This one is where the turn comes in, and it doesn't turn too much for her, so you can see the movement right there. Whereas like that one is, there's a lot more flex in it, and you can adjust it, flex it. Whereas the back wheel does not bend. There's no flex.
Very, very minimal.
Yeah, I mean, it gives just a little bit, but the idea is like the front is steering it. It's supposed to be like the surfboard like that. Yeah, we still have a lot of work to do. Did you go do your skateboard lesson?
Yes! Wait, it's today?
We started doing these skateboarding lessons with Willie over at Sunset Skates. I think we're gonna try to do them at least once a month. The girls really love them, and they talk highly all the time about Uncle Willie.
Down, and then knees, you go up.
Woo!
Up, and down. Up.
This was our second time there, and this time Alex really showed up, put in big effort.
Only thing you need now is to take your head down here. Now lean forward into it. Okay? Yeah, exactly. Once those wheels get down, lean forward. Forward. Perfect. Now lean back. Now lean forward. Now lean back. And let go. You got it. Let go. Stay in there. Stay low. Stay low. And up. And down. And up. And down. Good. Up. And down.
It's like
Good.
a swing, Alex.
Stop.
Yeah,
Haley! Girl. You trust me? It's not hard. Lean forward. 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 Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, the rocker. Go where you want it. Oh, get your toes to the edge. 3, 2.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, stay in there. Keep that hand up front. Woo! Up front. That's it. Keep that balance, girl. You got it. Awesome, girl. Foot placement is most important. Now you gotta lean forward, right? You're gonna lean forward. You're gonna Forward. 2, 1. Forward.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Go, Alex!
Stop. Go. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Go. Turn it, stomp it, turn it, stomp it. One more. You're in there, nice and straight. You're going.
Lean in.
Low. Forward. Then you went opposite direction.
That was amazing!
Nice. Quads. Oh, floppy down. Toes, turn. Perfect.
Yes, Alex.
Forward. Perfect. And then hard. Oh.
Yes!
Great job, Alex. Now. Big stomp.
Stomp and lean forward. Yeah!
Look at that. And down, and up, and down, and up, and down, up. Wow.
Yeah! Haley! Bend those knees!
Way. Oh!
Lean forward, Haley, lean forward.
Forward to me. Forward. Oh my goodness! Super awesome. I'm going with you all the way.
Yes. I don't want to do the
Big kahuna?
yeah.
That's okay.